Why are chickens so funny?
Why?
Because.
I need an egg. Thank you.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Can I bring him into your house?
No, you're gonna leave him in here.
No, you're gonna cook him.
Hey! What happened, little buddy? You have too much to drink? Oh,
She's like, come on, let's run.
You don't see that clucking or anything.
Look at her peeking.
Today at the show.
This is how you catch a rooster. Gotcha!
Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no.